Hey, this is Blake from Royal Swim Pools. Today we're going to be covering how to install a skimmer on an above ground pool. First thing you're going to want to do is take everything out of the box and locate your different pieces and hardware. The first step of installation is to locate your Weir and your hardware package. You're going to want to find the 3 smallest screws that are going to use a number 2 bit. So on the Weir, there's going to be 3 slots. You're going to want to line those up like so. Typically I put the first screw in by hand and move forward with my cordless drill. You're going to want it snug, but you definitely don't want to over tighten it because the plastic can crack. Alright, and that's the Weir installation. After the Weir installation, you're going to want to find the vacuum port cover and the 4th small screw that also uses a number 2 bit, and you're going to secure it to the very bottom of your skimmer faceplate. I want to locate your 2 gaskets. They are butterfly gaskets, and basically each side of the gasket is going to cover both sides of the wall. One thing you always want to keep in mind is this cutout on the wall is sharp, so please work carefully. After the gasket is on, just make sure all the holes are lined up. You're going to put on your cleaner port gasket after that. This one's a little bit easier just due to the size. What I'm going to do next is locate the 2 top corner holes, and you're going to feel with your finger on the liner to line up those 2 holes. Once you locate the top corner, you'll want to pre-punch. If you're having trouble, a hand screwdriver might be helpful. Once you're through, you can back that screw out and go to the other side. Once you get those 2 holes located, you could go ahead and put your screws through the faceplate and line them up like so. And that kind of helps secure that there. You're going to want an extra helping hand to hold the back of this skimmer, because sometimes they do and can be fairly heavy. The gentleman that's going to help hold will line up the back holes. So with a helping hand, securing these 2 top will allow you to basically finish the skimmer by yourself. And from there, the skimmer is secured on the wall. A good setting for your cordless drill would be about a 9, 10, possibly even 11. I typically keep it on a 10. Once those top corner screws are secured, all other screw holes will line up. You don't want to over tighten until all screws are in. Once all your screws are secured, double check your setting on your drill and go back through and tighten each and every one. And your above ground skimmer is installed. Once your above ground skimmer is installed, you're going to want a sharp razor blade to cut out the interior. Voila. Don't forget your cleaner port. And you can put your skimmer basket in. And your lid. And this has been how to install a above ground skimmer on your above ground pool.